I think we're on.
What's up, losers?
Anyway, look what we got in the shop today.
What the fuck is this crazy shit?
Dude, it's gorgeous is what it is. Daggum Rx7 FC. So anyway, I've been trying to tune this thing with a tuner from Phoenix, Cesar Hernandez, and it's been kind of sputtering. It's been cutting out on me. Well, the fuel pump quit the other day.
That's not normal for a rotary?
What?
Just to run weird? Like, that's not rotary stuff?
This guy. Anyway, the fuel pump quit on me. And so I pulled the fuel pump out, and I'm looking in the gas tank, and there's a bunch of, like, rust and crap in there. So we're going to drop the tank tonight and hopefully get it to Paul maybe tomorrow. And he's going to cut it open and clean it out and refinish the inside or whatever you do to them and get it all squared away for me and then weld the top back onto it. Is that how he does it?
Yeah, he should just like cut a hole in it and then like sandblast it, clean it all out.
Y'all getting all this?
Weld the top back on.
All right, so that's what we're doing. So here we are. Boom, we're about to pull the fuel pump out of this thing. We got to get up under this right there, which we're going to do right now. Right meow. Dang, stand up, camera. Now looking all nasty and whatnot. Dude, look how I spliced that line. That's so ghetto.
Yeah, but does it work?
It totally works. It completely works. All right, I'm gonna show y'all how nasty this thing is when I get it out. Look at
Holy smokes.
that. Yeah, isn't that awful?
Look at this, guys. There's
That's so gross.
Stuff up there.
Now, granted, I've got premix in it, so the fuel is going to be tinted red because I use a red premix. But, like, that's
not red.
That's
brown.
rust. That's fucking
Yeah, look at this.
That's just terrible right there. Look at that. That's gross. Anyway, so that might be the reason why my motor keeps cutting out when I'm trying to, like, get into boost. I don't think it's getting enough clean, yummy fuel. It's getting gross fuel.
That's crazy.
So, yeah, it's pretty nasty.
So we're going to drop the tank?
Yes.
How full is it? It's pretty empty.
It's pretty empty, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. That's when it's kind of when I decided. I was like, I was going to go to get gas, and I was like, nah, I'm not going to go get gas.
Where's the filler on this? On this side?
Yeah, on that side.
Oh, yep. Oh, man, it's way down there.
Yeah.
Cool.
So we're going to get up under this. We're going to get this thing up on jack stands, get up under it, and get this tank down. We'll see you in a minute.
There's one line left on there that's holding it up. There's another line on there, too.
Okay.
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh.
Hi, Bo.
Hello, camera. I had no idea you were there. It's a good thing I didn't start cussing at the gas tank, because that totally has happened.
That's typical
Recently.
of Bo working on a car.
Dude, that's all I do is cuss at it and hit it with bigger and bigger things till I exercise all my frustration. There it goes. Okay.
So dropping the tank's a pretty easy job, guys,
It is a very easy job.
on a car. I mean, even on a truck, it's not that bad. The hardest part is disconnecting all the lines.
When you do it on trucks, do you usually like take the bed off, or do they come off from under the bed?
No, we try and drop them straight down, just like this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, pulling the bed's more work.
Nobody likes more work.
We have a tranny jack at work, so we just put it on the tranny jack, undo it, drop it down a few inches, get it done.
That's nice.
The hard part with like trucks is instead of unbolting the sending unit, like you can, they have like these giant nuts that like lock on there and stuff, and
That sucks.
you have to really get after them with a hammer.
All right, let's
there it is.
down.
All done, guys.
Let's
See you
look
later.
down in here.
Oh, okay.
See how nasty it is. Can you see that?
No. You can't.
How about
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
Oh my gosh! We shouldn't have looked. That's so embarrassing.
Oh my gosh.
That's so horrible.
Look at all that, guys. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's real bad. That's real bad.
Thanks, Paul, for fixing it.
Yeah.
Come on.
So now that we got it off, we're gonna properly dispose of this fuel. We're not gonna go over that. I'm sure there's like OSHA and
Fuel makes very good weed killer. Just saying. Gas
and
is
it makes
an amazing weed
it makes
killer.
it makes a really good fuel for fire as well.
Yeah.
Totally just burn your yard, grow back super green, whatever. We're gonna get this over to Paul. Is that gonna be in this video?
I don't see why not.
Yeah.
We'll
have a
see
video
Paul in
of-
this video.
And maybe we'll talk
I'm
to
off
Paul
tomorrow and you're off, so we can go do it.
Ooh, and we'll talk to Paul and see how he's gonna do this business.
Yeah. I need to go get my truck tomorrow anyway.
But we're not gonna make our video 30 minutes. So bye.
So, we're working on Bo's fuel tank. We got the tank out. Paul got it blasted. It looks amazing. Right now, what we're doing is we're welding a plate on top of the sending unit because the connector's all jacked up and it constantly, like, the pump just shuts off. Bo will drive it somewhere. It'll drive great. He gets there, turns it off. The pump won't turn back on. So, we're welding this on and we're replacing the connector. We're going to make our own plug and everything should be much better. So watch Bo weld.
I just pulled a Ted.
He said he just pulled the Ted. All right, we'll get back to you guys. Correct.
Dope. So, what we got here is what do you call this?
A bulkhead
A bulkhead connector.
fitting. Yeah.
A
Thing.
bulkhead fitting.
But it's not. I guess it's not a fitting because it's for wires. Like, I don't know.
So let me grab this. I threw this away, but this is what we took out right here. If y'all want to look at this right here, this is what we took out. This is the connector for the fuel pump and for the sending unit also, the level sending unit. This was connected here. Like this was like, we had to cut this off and I don't know, it was like all pressed in and whatnot. But there's a connector that goes right here that just slips down, like not even like 1/8 of an inch. And when it does, it loses connection. So we decided.
Oh, that's where it slips down, is on the inside?
Yeah, on the inside of here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
So what we did is we got this bulkhead connector and it's got a little hole in the front so we can run a few wires down in there. But as you can see, this is, well, you probably can't see, but this is a lot smaller than this. So we had a big old hole in the top of the sending unit. So we welded that shut. And what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole right here. So that this bulkhead fitting, it'll go right there. And that's what it's going to do. That is what it's going to do. And then once we wire that up, it should be good to go. Then we're going to put this back in the gas tank, get the gas tank back in the car and crank it up. And hopefully everything works okay.
This has been a month-long project, guys.
Yeah, we needed to get the gas tank blasted and we didn't have this and I had to order the bulkhead fitting and you know.
Among doing other things as well.
Yeah, we did a bunch of other stuff. I think Ronnie did some four-link stuff on Teddy's truck. We're doing some clutch stuff on Tim's car. I don't know. We did a bunch of other stuff.
That's a manual IS400? LS400?
SC400.
SC400.
Yeah, with a 1UZ in it.
They all confuse me because...
That's Tim's drift car. Go check him out.
Yeah. All right. This is like the 4th day of shooting this video.
I can't see. That sounds like really bright. All right, so what we're doing is we're putting the gas tank back up in this pool. We put on some new fuel lines. We're not really sure which ones go to where. We got the return, is that a return line or a vent line?
No, it's a vent.
Okay, we got the vent line back on and we're just gonna lift it up, put it in place and see which one of these two lines line up with the pickup.
Yeah, which ones line up better?
Yeah, exactly.
We could also just look up a picture probably.
We probably could. I mean, we do have the internet.
What is that?
At our disposal.
If you guys are not watching this on the internet, let us know.
You're watching it on your telephone. You're like dial-up telephone. All right, here, can you lift this into this? Or whatever, I was gonna slide this way.
All right, So we ran to the AutoZone.
Yes, the AutoZone, and we got a 4-wire pigtail male and female set. Boom. We got this right here, which is super dope. It's got like this waterproof and stuff in it. And it's exactly what we need for 4 wires. That's it. This way it's not hardwired in. And anytime we have to disconnect it, just pop it loose. It's super heavy duty. It's waterproof. It was like $6. Totally worth it.
It's excessive. It was $9.
Was it?
Yeah.
Whatever.
It was $10.
Totally works. We're gonna link one of these in the description down below so you can buy one if you need one. But this is all our freaking fuel pump rewiring adventure here. So adventurous. Now I have to wire 8 of these things. So ridiculous.
Have fun.
Thanks, Ronnie.
All right,
Have fun holding the camera.
Here we have batteries for my mic.
Of course you do.
Red.
Of course you do. All right. Now I'll put it on just for good measure.
All right.
I need it.
Bo's putting his mic on. We're getting ready to put fuel in here. Fuel in here. You got the wiring all done? Plugs in, goes down in there, does its thing. Butt connected, heat shrink. Looks good.
So
hopefully
like
problem solved.
Getting to the daggum. It was crappy getting to the daggum fuel filter.
Yeah, it was deep in there.
Yeah, it was deep. Had to go deep.
Bo had to get it from the bottom, and I had to get it from the top.
We had to double team it. Gangbang, fuel filter gangbang. So
we got it.
I got I don't know, 8.5 ounces of premix.
From
I'm gonna put a little less than that in my 5 gallons of fuel.
How much is that?
This is 8.5 ounces.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dang, it seems like a lot.
I'm gonna put about.
I don't know how much an ounce is, but apparently it's a lot.
You know a shot glass? That's 2 ounces.
Okay.
Shot glass is 2 ounces.
That seems like a lot more than 4 shots right there. Like, I'm just saying.
I mean, feel free to take a few shots of this premix. All right. So I'm gonna cap it off and shake it up, and I mean not shake it, but agitate it. That's what scientists do, right? Swirl or agitate. Put it over the Bunsen burner.
That's what I do to my wife.
Agitate her.
Yeah.
One of my favorite memes is the one of Bane and that funny person in front of him, and it's like on Bane it says, "Me tired of my daughter's attitude," and like it shows the funny guy coming in, my daughter with her attitude coming in, like prancing around. So funny. All right, let's agitate. This is how we're agitating right here.
Nice.
Yeah. Are you getting this quality agitation?
I can
here?
see it. Yes.
It's important.
I can't see your face.
It's important that people see how I'm doing this. It's very scientific.
This is the proper way to premix.
Okay. Let's get this in here.
Oh, let me switch that. Turn, camera, turn.
Why is it not going down the thing? Because the nozzle's not long enough?
Oh, we didn't screw that on?
Oh, okay.
Maybe.
Well, that's a problem. Let's see.
We didn't put that back together?
We have 4.
Yeah, they were over here.
Are they screws?
Yep.
Okay. I don't remember. I think you took that loose.
Yeah, I did. Because I thought it was all going to come out with the tank, but it didn't. It came out in 2 pieces.
Well, let's put this back together.
So we're good to go. We're about to start it. We just put fuel in it. Fuel pump's kicking on. Both primed it up. We're waiting on my neighbor Jake. He wants to hear the rotary. So yeah, we're about to start it. We're also working on Timmy's, whatever this is, something 400. It's 2 letters and then 400. What is that?
What's up?
What is that?
That's an SC400.
Is your mic on?
Yes.
Nice. So they heard you say it. All right.
Yes. It's an SC400. It's got a 1UZ, and now it's got a R154. Is that what he said? Is
Yeah.
R154. They did a clutch job, and now they're trying to bleed the clutch for like hours now.
We don't like working on people's cars, but we like helping people like get drift cars drifting.
Dude, and we love having people over here to work on cars with us.
Yeah, it's nice. Just having somebody to like BS with. We BS with each other a lot. So
yeah, none of us really need help, but
yeah.
It's always nice when you're under the car to say, "Can somebody please give me a wrench?"
So anyways, stay tuned. We're about to start this beast up. Action.
Action. All right, let's see what
Make sure
happens.
it's in neutral.
Yep.
Maybe?
It's not hitting at all.
Is something unplugged?
Try in the fuel pump.
We did it 3 times. It should be good.
Want some starter fluid? No, it's off. Just pumping it right up.
And it smells like fuel, don't it?
Huh. Wonder if my battery's got enough charge on it.
It smells like fuel. So
Smell gas. Straight up.
one of the lines not on tight. Did you get the top one on?
Yeah, I got them all on.
Okay, so we thought maybe
Take 2.
the fuel lines were reversed, so we reversed them from reversed.
Yes, reversed. So I probably need to prime a couple times.
Yeah. It's so neat that we can be this far away and like...
Super nice. That sounds better.
There she goes.
On and off.
Let me get some phone footage for Ryan.
Pretty loud. just be glad it's not facing in the garage. The exhaust, it's ridiculous.
Go ahead.